How to fix application unable to start correctly error 0x000007b on Windows. 1. Make sure to use the right architecture. 2. Remove and reinstall .NET Framework. 3. Remove and reinstall the troubled application using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 4. Install the DXX and redistributables. 5. Run the installer in the compatibility mode. Like this. 6. Run the program compatibility troubleshooter. 7. Run sfc scan and dism as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan healthism/online/cleanup image/check healthism/online/cleanup image/restore health.